Now, the great news is if you're right at the start of this journey, you're exactly in the right place, because it took me 3 long, difficult years to get profitable. But now when I work with students and I show them exactly how to follow this path, it takes just months. And, that time saving is time for compounding, because in 10 years time, in 20 years time, if you don't take 3 years to learn, if you take 3 months to learn, then you've got 3 extra years of compounding. Your future self ends up dramatically wealthier. Now, I have one of my biggest regrets in trading is that I took 3 years to learn, and I calculated the cost of that for me. And if I had have learned about systematic trading and about how to do these things I'm going to share with you in months instead of years, today I would be several $million better off, many millions of dollars better off, in fact, because of that extra time for compounding. So no matter how long you've been trying to learn, what we've got to do is bring the success forward. We've got to shorten the rest of your learning curve, get you to mastery quickly so that you can spend the rest of your time trading, compounding your wealth, because your future self depends on it. In 10 years' time, if you waste 3 more years learning, then you're going to be dramatically worse off. If you finally get it and implement, and you trade systematically and you implement a portfolio like we're going to share, your future self is going to be dramatically better off.